Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's time for an episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. And we're outside again, so it means we're grilling again. Today, we're going to do some barbecued pork chops. So let's get the grill warmed up and get these things a cooking. Alright y'all, we got the grill all warmed up. We're going to throw some pork chops on here. We'll throw our pork chops on here, I should say. Not some. And these are thin cut, so they won't take very long to cook. We got 6 of them, or 7 of them, sorry. So, get this last one in here. And we're going to use some Rooster Tail barbecue seasoning. And we're going to put some regular barbecue sauce on them too, but we're going to start out with this, because I like this stuff. And of course, neighbors got to start their noisy stuff up. So, all right, got them all seasoned up. We'll get these cooking, and you guys bring you guys back when they get a little more done. So, hang on. All right, y'all. It's been about 10 minutes or so. Time to flip them. Like I said, these are thin chops, so they're not going to take a whole lot of time to cook up. So, all right. Now I have decided that I'm only going to put rooster on 3 of them. The rooster tail. So, season them up. You do these 3 here, and these other 3 we're going to use some Sweet Baby Ray's sweet Vidalia onion. Easy for you to say. So I'm going to go ahead and get these 4 over here slathered up. I can't do it one-handed, so we're going to slather them up, and then we'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all, it's been about another 10 minutes. Give these suckers another flip. Woohoo, that's looking good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's looking real good. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at them. Those are beautiful. Get these ones barbecued up over here with the sauce, and let them brown up a little bit, and we're going to be eating. Alright y'all, these things have been cooking a little bit longer. Let's flip them over here. Ooh, oh yeah, that barbecue sauce is, ooh yeah, I like that. I don't know if y'all like that charred, but I do. Alright y'all. Alright, I'm just gonna toast these side of these barbecued ones, and then we'll do our taste test. Y'all hang out. Alright y'all, we're gonna do the taste test. We got a piece with the barbecue sauce on it. Hot. Y'all, there is nothing better than fresh barbecue off the grill. I love that sweet Vidalia onion barbecue sauce, but I like the rooster too, the rooster tail. So there you have it, y'all. Grilled pork chops, barbecue style, 2 different ways. Now it's a short video, but we're working out here in the garage, and you know, we got hungry, so we barbecued. because it's right here. Alright, thanks you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and as always, bon appetit.